Hello, what's up guys? I'm Kristine and today I will be doing a no makeup look. I will just be running some errands and I need to be quick. So I will just apply my BB cream, my favorite Bello BB cream. Okay, I also put something on my neck. I also put BB cream in there. I think this is good now. Okay, it's just simple. I don't need to glam because it's just a no makeup look. There. I'm going to make my eyebrows as natural as possible. Okay, I'm done with my brows. I like natural looking brows because it makes me look much younger. Okay, I will set my makeup with this Johnson's powder. I'll just set my BB cream with this. So it's also called looking fresh makeup because it makes you look so fresh. No makeup look makes someone fresh. I think so. Okay. Okay, now I'm done. It's just a very simple makeup. Look at that. It seems that I don't wear any makeup. There. That's my very simple no makeup look for today. And thank you for watching and please subscribe.